Simone. Simone. Hi. Babu. Is that funny? Are you funny? You're funny. You like Cheerios. This is your first go with Cheerios. They're yummy.
Yummy bunny Abby.
Oh yes, yummy, yummy. Oh, Gwen is coloring. She's doing so well.
I'm not coloring this.
Oh, you're not? Okay.
I'm coloring this. I'm gonna color.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, and you got your thumb. You got your thumb. Oh, yummy, yummy. Oh, that's the best food.
Oh,
Yeah? Is your thumb yummy?
Something.
Okay, say it. What do you have to say?
She can never suck her clothes.
Her clothes?
No.
Okay.
So tell her to never choke on things and never suck on her clothes.
Okay.
Then you don't have to wash them.
Wash them? What kind of English accent do you have?
What then do you have?
I have an American accent.
I'm an American.
You do?
What do you
Say,
have?
say wash.
What do you have tonight?
Now you sound like a goat or a sheep.
What children do you have and what names of them?
What kind of accent is that?
A sheep accident.
Oh, a sheep accident. Oh, good. Do an English accent.
What kind of back do you have?
Okay, do an Ethiopian accent.
Do you have an English accident?
An accident. Okay. Can you say wash?
Washington.
What?
Washington.
Washington.
American accident.
Oh, American.
American.
American accident. How about you do an Irish accent like Glenda?
What do you do today?
Try it again. Do it again.
What do you do today?
Very good. What else does Glenda say?
Dot, 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 dot.
No, say, can we have a wee cuppa?
Can we have a wee cup of mum?
Mum or mom?
Mum.
Mum? Okay, have fun with your accidents.
I will. Mom, and go away now.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.